Hello, my name is Glenn Wilson. I'm with Century 21 Antigua Fine Homes. Today I'm going to show you a brand new 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1-level house that was just finished being built for $125,000. This house is located in Portal de las Rosas number 2, which is just at the entrance of San Miguel Dueños. This is a wonderful location. It's maybe 12 minutes from Antigua. There's communities that up and around this area that are really developing quickly. There's businesses opening, there's restaurants right within 3-minute drive that are very popular. Now I'm going to show you around the house and I think you're going to like it. This is the dining room, living room, kitchen area. There's a breakfast nook, an island area for your fridge, stove, and cabinetry already installed. And of course a nice sink, but if you're entertaining here, you'll be able to greet your guests, have a conversation while you prepare that night's dinner. The house is 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths like I mentioned earlier, so it isn't a large house. It's 110 meters of construction on a 120 meter lot. Let me take you out to the courtyard. Here, with the courtyard design that's very typical of the area, you'll be able to have natural light coming into all the bedrooms and the living room, dining room area. And we'll go down here. There's a garage and an entrance here. This is the first bedroom to my right. It has its own bathroom, full bathroom. We'll go have a look. Like I said, this house was just finished, so of course it doesn't have any light fixtures or furniture in the house, but that's something that will be coming very soon with the new owner. Here's a place for your TV, plug, cable, already set up for you. We'll go over here. This is the laundry room. This is where your washer dryer will go. There's a small pila. And of course, a guest bathroom or service bathroom. And over here is another bedroom. As you walk in, there's a bathroom to your right, full bath again with a shower. And over here is your bedroom with a window. This is the outside of the house. Just go along the edge here so you can get an angle. There's a bit of a green space in behind each of these houses, so it doesn't back onto the road for reduction of road noise. But here you see the entrance. It's a garage plus an entrance, so it serves dual purposes here. I hope you enjoyed that quick tour of this 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath house near Antigua for $125,000. If you want to know more about the house or you'd like to visit it for a personal viewing, just reach us at this phone number below or visit our website at www.antiguafinehomes.com and we'll be sure to get you the information or schedule the viewing. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed today's video.